Hello, this is Rachel with Mic Drop Miniatures, and today I'm going to show you how to create these adorable mini bookshelves. I have several different varieties available on my website at micdropminiatures.com. So these come as kits, and in the kit you get 6 sheets of coordinating paper. So for this you could paint the back of your bookshelf, but I decided to use paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the background with design side up on the paper. I'm going to trace it with a pretty thin, I should be probably using a mechanical pencil, but I'm not. I'm going to trace it and then cut it out. So one thing that you do want to do when you get your kit also is wipe down all of your wood pieces, because if you've ever lasered or had laser kits, you know that sometimes they can be a little dirty from the laser. So that's something I did do before the video. It's always important to make sure that you check to make sure that your pieces fit. Once they do, you're going to glue it on. So for me, I do Eileen's tacky glue. You do have this in your kit as well. Here I'm just using a little makeup sponge, and you want to make sure that you get the glue all the way to the edges. Sometimes I even use my finger or a paintbrush, just any tool that you have to get a thin layer of glue on all pieces and all the way to the edges. And you're going to firmly press it down, and you're going to let that dry. All right, next we're going to make books. With your coordinating paper, you're going to cut strips in a half an inch, 3/4 of an inch, 1 inch, and 1 1/4. These are the sizes of the book forms that you also get in your kit. So as you cut the strips, you're going to take the provided book forms and you're going to glue, let's see which one, there we go. You're going to glue all sides, just a little bit of glue on each side of, the 3 sides, and you're going to wrap the cut paper strips that you just did around the book forms. Now you can hold it, but I like to use a simple paper clip to hold them in place. And depending on how many books you want, you just want to keep on wrapping. Now once they're dry, all you do is clip off the end and voila, you have a cute little book. Washi tape also works for this process, newspaper, anything that you have. Super cute, easy books. All right, moving on. Let's clean up my space here a little. What's next? Next we are going to paint. So I did provide paintbrushes in the kit. These are makeup sponges that I love to paint with, especially if you have small areas like this tree where, it would take forever with a paintbrush. I like the sides to be dark, like the laser cut. Some people like paint. However you want to create your mini bookshelf is up to you. I say let your imagination go. But these makeup sponges are really awesome for fine details. Another thing you can do is just grab a spray paint can and make it really super easy for you. I highly recommend that you paint first all the pieces and then assemble it. All right, look at how fast I am. I'm just wiping out the glue on the edges, and next we are going, again, using that makeup sponge, I'm getting the glue into those little areas. I am going to glue all the pieces together, and then I realized I do want some paper behind those words. So again, I'm just going to cut it out and paint it, paste it on the tree. But this, you could use a different color, solid color, maybe some gold in there. Again, the options are endless. All right, and then let's get our back on. Again, using that makeup sponge, I'm gonna get glue all over. And then to hold it into place, I'm gonna use some big clips that I have. And then let that dry, and then the next fun part is decorating. So you do in your kit have a few minis that I provide to you. You can decorate it with your books, any little things that you find you can add along the way for your bookshelf. I can't wait until it dries. This is always the hard part, is waiting for things to dry. So here are some added things. I just want to see, oh, it's going to look so cute. All right, and here is our finished piece. I did take a little moss that I found at the craft store and added it. So thank you so much for watching, and please check back for more. Thanks.